malapit na din mag 1 year guys. Yung wala na akong coffee. So, ano siya? Ganito yung itsura ng sugar-free coffee namin guys. So, kung gusto nyo mag-order guys, pwede po kayo mag-order guys. Sugar-free to guys. Walang sugar. Ayan.
Wow!
So, thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and my YouTube channel. See you in the next vlog. This business muna. Bye-bye.
Thank you.